YouTube was good, y'all. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech. Listen, guys, I'm gonna show you how to transfer all your old data from your old iPhone to your new iPhone, like so. This is the iPhone 15 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. All right. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right. So first things first, when you want to do this, is that obviously you might receive, if you buy your phone off Facebook Marketplace, it might be like this, like so, right? Obviously, when you first get your phone out of the box, obviously, you're going to be presented with the hello screen, right? So obviously, we're not presented with the hello screen. We're going to get into that later. So if your phone looks like this and you got it offhand or secondhand, I mean, what you want to do is you want to head over to your settings, right? When you're in settings, you want to go and scroll down to general. Then you want to scroll down until you hit transfer or reset iPhone, as you can see right here. You want to click on that. And then you're going to be presented with erase all content and settings. So you want to do that. All right. So you want to click on here. Boom. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to erase this iPhone? So you're going to continue. You're going to click on continue. And from there, you're gonna put in your passcode for your iPhone. So I'm gonna just do that real quick, and then boom. So now it's gonna ask you for your Apple ID password. All right. So once you put in your Apple ID password, you're gonna click on turn off. To click on turn off, you're gonna be presented with this thing. For me, for some reason, it took a little bit of time to just load, but there it is. So you're gonna click on erase iPhone, like so, and then basically the iPhone's gonna erase. So then once you're going to do that and you're going to erase your iPhone, basically what's it's going to do is basically, you're going to be presented with the hello screen just like you bought your iPhone, right? It's going to do a factory reset on your iPhone. So we're just going to wait until that does its thing. Then we're going to be right back. All right, so boom. Once you're done that, and basically you're done resetting or erasing your iPhone. So this is the hello screen that we're talking about. This is the screen that you get. So this is the screen that you get when you first get your iPhone out of the box. The hello, hola, bonjour, whatever, bienvenue, whatever. All right, bonjour. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyway. So you just swipe up, right? And on this phone right here, your old phone, make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi and to Bluetooth. So basically, it should pick up that's a new phone, like so. Boom. So then you're just going to click on continue, like that. Gonna click on continue. And then now it's fetching this iPhone right here. So basically, you're going to take this phone, and then you're going to put it over this circle, like so. So I'm just going to move that like that. And then boom. As you can see, now it's waiting for the other phone. It's getting ready. And as you can see now, it's asking, do you want to set up this new iPhone to this iPhone? You click on set it up for me. Basically, you're going to enter in the passcode for your other iPhone, which is this one. So I'm going to just do that real quick. Boom. I entered in the passcode, and now it's doing its thing. All right, so it's going to take a little bit of time. It's going to take a little bit, it's going to take you a bit of time, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Anyway, so now it's asking for the data and privacy. Click on continue. All right. So this process, bear in mind, this process can take anywhere from 15 to an hour, depending on how much photos you have on this iPhone or how much, data you have on this iPhone. It can take a while. All right. Just so you guys are aware. So Face ID, we're just going to do set up later, and then basically transfer data from this iPhone to this one. You're going to click on continue, like so. And then boom, now it's setting up your Apple ID, like so. And then basically just agree to the terms and condition. So click on agree. And then basically it's just transferring everything over. All right, so it's going to take a little bit of time for that to happen. But buckle up your seatbelts, you know what I'm saying? It's going to take a while. All right, so then you're going to be presented with this. I'm basically saying make this your new iPhone. You basically click on continue. Actually, let's just go back. Let me just show you. So basically it says, showing you about app your all your app data and stuff like that from your other iPhone. That's what's gonna transfer over. Settings, series, screen time, and more. And then a wallet. All right, so it's gonna transfer everything over. All right, so you're gonna click on continue, and then enable location services. I mean, we're just gonna disable that for now. Click on OK. And I'm just gonna wait for that to basically do its thing. Alright, so now you're gonna present it with the iPhone analytics. You're just gonna click on don't share. You can share it if you want, but I don't. And then you're gonna click on continue. And then basically now you're transferring the data from this iPhone to this iPhone. Again, bear in mind this can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes or 15 minutes to an hour. It all depends on how much data you have on this iPhone to this iPhone. All right, guys. All right, so we back. You know what I'm saying? This took like about 30 minutes to load. And basically, you're presented with the hello page again, right? So once the transfer is completed, just click on continue, right? And then this is an important step right here, okay? If you're going to sell this old phone, right? Let's say I'm selling this iPhone 11. Make sure you erase this phone and you would click on continue and follow the process, right? If you're selling your phone. Just make sure that you do that, okay? So for now, obviously, I'm going to click on not now because I'm not selling the phone. And basically, let me just skip that alarm. Okay, now all my messages are rolling in like crazy, bro. All right, so yeah, and then you go onto your new iPhone, then you put in the password of this iPhone, obviously, because you just transferred it. And then boom, now it says restored completed. And then you're going to click on continue. And then you can set up your Face ID if you want. For the sake of this video, we're not going to do that right now. Click on OK. Yada, yada, yada. Action button. Yeah, we get it. Okay, continue. And then boom, welcome to iPhone. And then, you know, this annoying thing that it keeps doing. Right, swipe up. Boom. And as you can see, now it's identical to this one right here. Right? If I were to close this, you see how identical it is? It's exactly the same. All right. And if people are wondering, you know, what about images and stuff like that? Is it all going to be there? My text message, everything's going to be there because it's basically a twin. All right. It's basically a twin. So everything that's on this iPhone is going to be on here 100%. All right, guys. So yeah, guys, that's the video. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, my apps are loading, right? But everything else is there, just like on this iPhone, like so. All right, YouTube. So that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys like videos like these. You know what I'm saying? Join the club, join the crew. We growing up a year. All right, YouTube. We out. Peace.